Okay, imagine this. You're scrolling through TikTok or YouTube, and suddenly you see Bigfoot with a selfie stick, chatting about catching fish in the woods, or a Stormtrooper doing a vlog on patrol, telling strange stories, or just being unexpectedly hilarious. How wild is that? These aren't real people. They're AI-generated character vlogs that have gone mega viral. Some scored over 10 million views. And guess what's powering all these? Google's new VO3 AI video model. Just type a prompt, and it will give you cinematic video, with handheld-style movement, ambient audio, even voiceovers baked in.
They left behind a ball today.
Sounds unreal, right? Here's the catch. VO3 eats credits fast, which means it's expensive, unless you get in on the 15-month free Google AI Pro plan, which is exactly what we're doing today. I'll show you how to snag access, then walk you through VO3 features. By the end, you'll be ready to create your own viral videos. Let's go. Right now, Google AI Pro is offering a 15-month free trial to verified college students in select countries like the US, Canada, the UK, Japan, and more. Once you're in, you'll automatically get access to VO3 through the Google Flow platform. All right, here's the real secret. If you're not in those countries or you don't have a .edu email, you can still grab this offer. To start, just switch your VPN to the US. Once your VPN's active, open a clean browser window and create a brand new Gmail account. Don't use your main one. Trust me, starting fresh helps avoid weird eligibility issues later. Now go to the Google AI Pro sign-up page. This is where Google checks if you're eligible for the student beta. When it asks for your student email, here's the trick. If you already have a .edu email, perfect. You're in. If not, you can use a temporary one from a site like Tempumail. Just pick one with a .edu domain and test it. Most of them work fine. Paste that .edu email in the verification field, and if it passes the check, you're halfway there. You'll then be asked to enter a credit card. Don't worry, it's just for validation. Google won't charge anything for the next 15 months. Just make sure to set a reminder before the trial ends if you want to cancel. Once that's done, you're in. Just head to Google Flow, and you'll land right on the VO3 dashboard. This is where the real fun begins. Let's jump into the magic, starting with VO3's text-to-video feature. Select VO3, Quality Model. This is where it really feels like directing a scene with just your words. Here's the full prompt I'm using for this one. Watch closely. It's a bit different from the way you'd prompt other AI video generators. Let's break it down real quick. First, start by setting the scene. Bigfoot standing in a misty forest, holding a selfie stick. So VO knows the setting and subject. Then go straight into the dialogue, inside quotation marks. This tells VO what I want the character to say as a voiceover. Next, add style cues like natural lighting, handheld camera movement, and close-up framing. This gives it that realistic vlog feel. Without that, the video could end up looking too cinematic or too static. Then guide the mood. Ambient forest sounds, wind, and a calm tone in the voiceover, just like you'd hear on a nature vlog. And finally, tag on auto-generate captions. VO picks that up and syncs subtitles automatically. Now hit generate and see what it builds.
Hey everyone, today I'm catching fish in this creek. Hey everyone, today I'm catching fish.
Pretty wild, right? Just one
creek.
prompt, and you've got a cinematic vlog. No gear, no crew, no hassle. Who needs a film crew? Now that was cinematic, but let's see how it actually compares to image-based feature. That's where frame-to-video comes in. Under the Google AI Pro plan, VO3 model does not support this feature yet, but it's available in VO2 model. Let's try this feature in VO2 with two AI-generated images of a Stormtrooper, one closer shot and one wider frame. Then selected orbit left as the motion type, so the camera slowly circles around the subject. The result gives us a bit of movement, a nice loop with smooth rotation, but there's no voiceover, no ambient sound. You'd need to add those manually using other tools. Now comparing with VO3's text-to-video feature, no images required, just a well-structured prompt.
It's been quiet for hours, not even a rebel transmission.
The difference is clear. VO3 adds voice, sound, lighting, and smoother motion with one prompt. As a quick heads up, VO3's ingredient-to-video feature is not included in the Google AI Pro plan. This feature is exclusive to Google AI Ultra users. If that changes, I'll update you. But for now, the free tools still pack serious power. Earlier, we used VO3's quality model to generate this cinematic Stormtrooper vlog, and it delivered top-tier visuals, voiceover, and motion. But what if you want to save credits and generate faster? This is where VO3 Fast Model comes in. This exact prompt on VO3 Fast Model drops to just 20 credits instead of 100.
It's been quiet for hours. Not even a revel signal.
As you can see, the output is still strong. The camera motion is simpler, and lighting effects are slightly toned down, but it's perfectly usable for social content, testing ideas, or creating short-form content on a budget. So if you're trying to stretch your credits, VO3 Fast Model is a smart choice. The 15-month free access to VO3 ends on June 30th, 2025. Want to create cinematic AI-generated videos at zero cost? Now's the time to lock in the deal. If you miss the deadline, no worries. Google still offers a 1-month free trial through the Google AI Pro plan, so you can test everything before committing. All the links are in the description below. Made something cool? Drop the link in the comments. I'd love to check it out. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more AI tools. See you in the next one. This is the AI Hustle. Let's build smarter.